used to really go around the house all the time just singing this song right and left, and it just drove me nuts. But I would go to work singing this song. So here we go. And help me out with the words if I mess up. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, that's my name too. Whenever I go out, the people always shout, John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, na 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 na, John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt.
We have laughed together, cried together, and may have eaten one too many bowls of cookies and cream ice cream while in the living room while watching our favorite show, Gilmore Girls. Yes! We may have also recited one too many lines of Gilmore Girls to the point of annoyance to our parents, who would then deny any show watching themselves, as if they would later talk about the show with us. I am truly blessed to have shared these memories with my soul sister.
Even though I am the one standing, this is not for my Chip and Dale's performance. By the way, I'll accept 50s and 100s. I think the ATM should be somewhere near the back.
Just as amazing as McCartney. He cares for her and would do anything to make her smile. They complement each other in the most perfect way, and I couldn't be happier to call him my brother-in-law.
Try to show these people what you actually mean to me, man. But words alone would not do it justice. You have not only let me loiter in your house on 2 different occasions, you have also been one of the greatest positive influences for me. You have been the one for endless advice on life. I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart, man. You're not only my brother, but you are my rock, and you are my best friend. I do love you, man.
John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt.
That's my name too.
Whenever we go out,